A person waking up, checking their phone, and smiling at a deposit notification. Imagine waking up to find money deposited into your bank account while you were asleep. No long hours, no boss breathing down your neck, just money working for you. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's called passive income, and today, I'm revealing 7 powerful ways to make money without trading time for dollars. And no, I'm not talking about stuffing cash under your mattress and hoping it multiplies. But here's the harsh truth: if you don't build passive income, you'll always be trapped in the 9-to-5 cycle. So stick with me till the end, because I'm also going to reveal the biggest mistake that stops most people from ever achieving financial freedom. And trust me, this mistake can cost you years of your life. A stressed out employee working late at night, exhausted. Most people live paycheck to paycheck, always working harder, yet never feeling financially secure. Why? Because they rely on only one income stream, their job. And if that job disappears, so does their income. That's risky, and in today's economy, dangerous. But here's the good news: you don't need to be rich to start earning passive income. You just need to know where to start. High-yield savings dividend stocks, a phone screen showing dividends being deposited automatically. Let's start with something simple. Imagine if your money made money for you. High-yield savings accounts and dividend stocks do just that. Put your cash in the right place, and boom, you're earning without lifting a finger. It's like planting a money tree. Except this one actually grows. Some stocks pay out dividends quarterly, meaning you're literally getting paid just for holding onto them. Think of it as your money working a full-time job while you relax. Real estate rentals. Airbnb, a modern Airbnb listing generating income. Real estate is one of the oldest and most powerful ways to build wealth. But what if you don't have millions to buy properties? Simple, start with house hacking or Airbnb rentals. Rent out a spare room, list a property short-term, or invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, for a hands-free approach. But the next method doesn't even require owning anything, and it's one of the fastest growing income streams today. Digital products, someone earning money from selling an ebook online. Imagine creating something once and getting paid for it over and over again. That's exactly what digital products do. Ebooks, online courses, templates. People are making thousands a month selling digital assets they created once. It's like selling a recipe instead of baking a cake every time someone wants one. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy make it easier than ever. And the best part? No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. Print on demand, a person designing a t-shirt online, then seeing sales notifications. What if you could sell t-shirts, mugs, or posters without ever touching inventory? That's what print on demand does. You design it once, and sites like Redbubble and Teespring handle the rest: printing, shipping, and customer service. It's a low-cost, creative way to make passive income. And if you think only designers can do this, think again. AI tools can create stunning designs in seconds. Affiliate marketing, a blog or YouTube channel making money from affiliate links. This is one of the most powerful income streams online. Affiliate marketing means you earn a commission every time someone buys a product through your link. No inventory, no customer service, just recommending things you already love. But here's where most people mess up. And it's costing them thousands. Most beginners spam links without providing value. Instead, focus on trust in content, and the money follows. YouTube automation, a faceless YouTube channel making money through ads. What if you could make money from YouTube without even showing your face? Faceless channels using AI voiceovers, stock footage, and automation tools are generating 6 figures a year. Once a video is uploaded, it can make money for years through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Imagine working once and getting paid for life. Sounds better than a 9-to-5, right? Selling stock photos, videos, a photographer uploading photos and getting payments. If you have a smartphone, you can make passive income. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock pay creators every time someone downloads their photos or videos. One good photo can make money for years, without you doing anything. A person relaxing while money flows into their bank account. Now, let me ask you this: which of these passive income streams will you start today? Because knowing them isn't enough. Taking action is what separates the wealthy from the struggling. And remember that mistake I warned you about at the start? It's waiting too long to start. Every day you delay, you're missing out on potential income. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. If you're serious about financial freedom, hit subscribe and check out my next video where I reveal 5 money habits keeping you broke and how to fix them fast.